Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we're going over our fried fish and shrimp. Skrimps is what I call it, part 2. Now we gave out the recipe to the first one. I just want to say, guys, if you guys are very salt savvy, you can't have that much salt, I would suggest don't use regular salt. I really don't like using that much salt for anything. I don't really like using it, but I would substitute it as seasoning salt. Seasoning salt, it doesn't have as much sodium as regular salt. So I just wanted to correct that for those who really can't have salt. Yeah, some people really got to watch it, grandmother. I totally understand that. So you guys can kind of, flavor that out a little bit and try to use like half of that. Or you can use, just seasoning salt instead of that. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to say that. And you know what else, grandmother? Some have asked us about the cooking oil. Oh, yeah. I forgot to say, you can use vegetable oil, everyone. Some people asked about canola oil. Well, canola oil, so you can use that too, but I feel like canola oil makes it a little bit more heavier. We like our fish to be nice and fluffy and light, when we're eating it. Kind of like, melt on your mouth, not in your, all that good old stuff. Okay, well, yeah, you answered that question. So if there's any other questions, hey, we love your comments, and make sure you let us know how you think and how you feel about it. We also have our cookbooks available on Mama Soul Kitchen at Amazon.com for the regular recipes for healthy eating and vegetarian and vegan and all that good old stuff. And we have Just Desserts, child. And those good old sweet tooth recipes and not so sweet tooth recipes is also available in this book as well.